Okay, now we arrived the first company about YLQ. Okay, now we welcome our guests. Please introduce yourself to our online audience, okay?
Hey everyone, so my name is Sarah. I'm from YLQ Paper Machinery. So we're specialized on making flexo inline printing and also flexo printers. So as you can see from the behind, that we also brought inline FFGs along with us for the exhibitions.
Okay, thank you. And now we know what you are. And later, I'd like to ask you about. Please briefly introduce our company and what is your main business. Okay.
So our company is based in Tianjin, which is right beside the capital, Beijing. We originally founded in 2004 in Guangzhou, Dongguan. And then we moved back to Tianjin in 2011 because we bought our own land, we built our own factory. And in 2017, we had a cooperation with Seiko Korea. As you guys can see the logos here. They are #1 company in South Korea. So we had a cooperation with them for making flexo folder gluers. The inline machine that we brought today is actually originally made in Korea, along with the flexo printer is made in China by us. The folder gluer section is originally made in Korea. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. We know more about our company now, and I'm a little bit curious about our product. What about let's show our product to our online audience, okay? Okay, please lead us.
Thank you. This way. So I'm just gonna give a brief introduction about the machine that we brought today. It's a 920, so 900 times 2 meter, full color slaughter die cutter inline folder gluer counter injector, along with the automatic pre-feeder. So as you can see here, we'll be running the machine very shortly, but I'm just gonna give you a brief introduction. This pre-feeder is made by us, YLQ. It's a semi-automatic pre-feeder. It's actually cooperating with South Korea Seiko as well. It's South Korean technologies with their design, and we built it in China. And this is a feeding section right here. After pre-feeder is the feeding section. We have an option of a servo feeding or regular feeding with a ceramic feeding roller. And number 2, 3, 4, 5 is 4 printing colors. This is a fully automatic vacuum transfer printing machine. Number 6 is the A-shaft slotting unit, and number 7 is a die cutting unit. You also have the option of having an extra creasing unit right before the slotting, or you can also do slotting, which is a double shaft slotting. And number 7 is a rotary die cutting. You can also adding a vibration unit after the number 7. And here comes to our cooperation with South Korea Seiko inline FFG. As you can see, we're running at the speed 310. 照一下速度310 ppm. So we're running at the speed 310 per minute. We have automatically dust removal. So we have a brush to brush away all the dust and all the scrubs. And this is computer control. So it's fully automatic. You can do order changing. Just in one step, very easy. Inputting your order, size and everything into the system, everything will come automatically. And this is our folder gluer sections that's cooperating with Seiko Korea. So we have a left and right servo belt that you can control it separately with servo. So basically, left and right belt can be controlling with a different speed, which is to adjust the fish tailing. And we have also, I'm not sure if you guys can see, 可以照一下这个回收系统吗? This air is an air circulation system. So we have one fan in the top and one fan in the bottom. So you will be blowing from the top and blowing from the bottom to make the boxes floating in the air, so to avoid fish tailing. And here comes to the major part, which is our counter injector. Originally made in Korea, as you can see the name tag. 这个是韩国原装进口的. Originally made in Korea. This one, the key is you only have one servo on the entire counter ejector. The reason why we designed it this way is to avoid the use of too much servo, is saving energies and saving costs, as well as it's more user friendly. As you know, if you have too much servos, when there's any electric problems, it will be very difficult to maintain far away. So the anti-counter ejector is running by one servo. The rest of them is all by running by air cylinders. The cycle speed is 21 cycle per minute. Yeah. And here comes to our final products. As we can see, we were running the machine just a couple minutes ago. These are the finishing products. Yeah, these are our final finishing products. As you can see, what's important is the fish towling and gaps, right? It's very even. As you can see, my hand is touching very smooth. And as you can see, these are all aligned in one line, so which just means the feeding and cutting accuracy are very high. 可以照一下我们的这些成品箱样。We produced about 20,000 boxes yesterday, and today we did about 31,000 boxes as of now. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we know more about our company's product, and I'm a little bit curious about. We have so huge product and the work speed so fast. Okay. Oh, we have an online question. Let's have a look. Is this product easy to be maintained and repaired?
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, of course. As you can see, it's a fully automatic line, right? For maintenance, of course, when my engineers is doing training, we'll be telling you what to be maintained. As well, the system will also remind you, for example, oh, you need to do some lubrication, you need to do some grease. The system will remind you guys. And for repair, honestly, it's not too complicated or not too much things to worry about to be repaired. We'll be also providing maintenance menus and all the training menus to you guys. And especially one thing I want to mention is YLQ has a YLQ Care services, which is we're providing one free annual visit to you guys, even overseas, doesn't matter where you guys, every year to make sure my product is running in good conditions. Yeah.
So we don't need to be worried about our product. Okay, yes, okay. And I a little bit want to ask you about, could you please just share with us a successful case that will serve us to overseas markets?
Our inline are sold to Spain, Czech, and also Jordan. We had a very good client from Jordan. Before they purchased our inline, their production was only 400 tons. So after they purchased our 1224 inline, their production increased to 1,200 tons. So with one shift, as you can see, we're running at 310 speed. So if you guys are able to have enough capacity or enough orders, we can do 200,000 boxes a day easy, piece of cake.
Yeah, so we have many experience about overseas markets, right? Yes, so don't worry about our product, don't worry about our experience. Yeah.
Sorry,
okay.
Sorry. One thing I want to mention is this factory is founded by my parents. I'm the third generation here. So you are actually talking directly with the owner of the company, and I have very good experiences after service, and maybe you guys can tell I was studying abroad before. So you are talking with the owner directly. I know how important is after sales. So please don't hesitate to give us a chance to serve you guys.
Yes, thank you so much. And now we know more about our company and our product. So I have a little question about our organizer. As an old friend with our organizer, this year is the 20th anniversary for Sino Corrugated. So please, do you have some word or some wish to our organizer?
Well, Sino is our good friend. We've been visiting them since the beginning of the company was founded, and we have a very good client and very good cooperating with them. They are very helpful and very good partners for us. I'm just hoping, wish them all the best, and wish to see you guys in the future.
Yes, and on behalf of our organizer, we always hope we can just be with you guys, and in the future we will improve ourselves more and more better. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Have a rest. Thank you. Have a rest. Okay.